But this would be the first quadrennial period, 4 years over 4 years, where the value of people's homes, at least since the Great Depression, is lower than it was from the prior. And I don't think that's been factored in.
No, I think you're right, Neil. And look, it is going to be about the economy, and housing's a big part of the economy. And it's a big part, as Gary just mentioned, of people's wealth. And they've seen their prices go down. And from a psychology perspective, this is why 2/3 of Americans don't think that the country's moving in the right direction. And clearly, Obama's Achilles heel, if he has one this November, is going to be the economy. And if people don't think he's managing the economy, if they're looking at the price of gas and the equity in their homes going down, they may want to make a change.
You know, it's interesting because, like you say, Tom, a lot of people have equated their home with their sense of value and worth. I mean, you could be running up a lot of bills not too long ago, not too many years ago, but you always had the fallback of the equity in your home. It was always the cash dispenser. That's long been gone, of course. But I think it does affect people's psyche. Now, the question is whether they take that out on a president if other numbers are improving, albeit nominally. These guys are the sort of housing gospel. They follow this across the country, all these key regions. And if it's continuing to go down, then housing, unlike some other key economic numbers from GDP, unemployment rate, isn't off its lows. It's getting more low, pardon my slang. And that is a trend that's not the administration's friend. How does that play out when the biggest sense of our wealth is making us poor?
Well, look, it would certainly be more political statement than anything on the part of the president. I mean, the housing market is such a multifaceted, multi-trillion-dollar industry. It's very unlikely that the government can really do anything to move that market, right? So, and there is the flip side, which would be the blowback from people who are out there paying on their mortgages. Why is someone else getting a break on theirs?
Exactly.
And I'm not getting a break on mine. So it may not be that much of a political benefit for the president in the end anyway.